1:30 we'll go make a road trip.
Check that out, guys. The F80 has been painted and it looks absolutely amazing. We are going to allow it to set up and cure a bit, and then we are going to assemble all the bumpers and tail lights and door handles and everything. And man, I really love this color. Kat, what do you think about the color? She just wants to fight. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the F80, and I have to hold on to Kat, or else she's gonna... All right, just do it. Okay, you gonna stay right there? You gonna let me make this video? Today we are back on the F80, and Kat, you can't be... Listen, hey, you there with the clothes. You there with the clothes, mate. Look at this. This is what I deal with constantly. So today we are back on the F80, and we need to get this thing all assembled and get it buffed out and get this thing ready for the customer to pick it up. Cleaner? Yeah. right, so now we need to go ahead and check it out, guys. I got the sensors on and I've got the little marker lights on and the little trim pieces. We are ready to go ahead and install the bumper. I've not installed this rear antenna just yet because it doesn't really matter. I can put that on later, and also the diffuser's not ready. So we'll go ahead and pop this bumper on just to get it off the stand, and it'll be a lot safer on the car. And then we will go ahead and install the side skirts. Help me with this bumper, Paul.
Plugging everything in?
Yeah, this is a permanent fixation. Dang, dude. That color match though, that's where it's at. I am very happy with that. Sheesh. Any adjustment need?
No.
Dang, dude, it looks so good. Check that out, guys. We got the rear bumper cover on, and I'm very happy with how the paint matched up. Look at that. You literally cannot tell that it's even been painted. Like, the paint match is spot on. It's perfect. Like, from any angle, your boy's shining. Now we just need to finish up, you know, installing the gas cap, the side skirts, the door handles, the door panels. We might actually end up doing the buffing first and then doing the door handles, so might wait on that. But man, it's turning out really nice. Can't wait to get this thing done. And then also another thing I had to do before the owner freaks out on me, I did replace the little marker lamps with the little plastic ones that he provided for me. I did not see those in the beginning, but then as I was looking through the box, I noticed that he had these, and just from knowing the guy, I know he wants that on there instead of the red. Because also, check this out. We actually painted the marker lights as well. That's gonna look super cool. Let's see if we can't try them on to size real quick. Woo! Dang, son. Look at that. Look. Oh, shoot. Okay, we gotta stop. We gotta stop playing, boy. But you guys seen how that looked? That looked really good. So I'm actually probably going to do this on my car as well. So while Paul is sanding down all the little runs and imperfections and stuff and getting ready for buffing, I am going to finish installing the rear bumper and then move on to the front bumper. So basically what I have left here, I need to just button up the bottom, you know, put all the screws in, and then I need to clear coat this center diffuser piece, which, as you guys know from the previous video, I did end up repairing. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna install the lip onto the front bumper and do the side skirts, and she will be ready for a buff job. check that out. We got the camera and the sensor installed. And we got Big Mike walking up. What you doing, Michael? What?
I'm talking about a fresh cup of lemonade.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. It is like 95 degrees out here.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty out here today.
What you been doing?
I ate me 10 wings and some french fries. And I was looking at reels.
Is that what you sent me?
Oh, yeah, look what that dude doing on there. Look on there and see what he was doing. This dude is crazy. Watch him. Hey, watch that one lady. Hey. Hey.
It froze up. That was pretty funny. Where'd you find that, Mike?
On Reels.
On Facebook?
Yeah, on Reels. Hey, on the Reels.
You like them reels, don't you?
Yeah.
I like them Keens you got on.
Yeah, put the moves back. Yeah, that's what Yuri's dad got me shirts. Not these pants, but more pants. He got me a whole slew of shoes.
Oh, you got that from Dad?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because he got that connect.
He hooked me up.
He got a connect on stuff just your size. Just your size.
I'm talking about hooked me up, got me in the game. You hear me?
Mike out there styling.
I ain't never had no shoes like this.
For real?
Nope. But then I was just down there and guess where everybody was looking at my feet? They just kept looking at my feet.
They kept looking at your feet?
Yeah, they keep looking at my feet. I like it though.
Because you got nice shoes.
I deserved it because I've been out here like a clown for about 10 years. But that was my choice. I had to get things in order to where when something like it, I can enjoy this. You feel me? I can enjoy somebody looking at me thinking bad thoughts. You feel me? But they don't know. You understand what I'm saying?
Yep. Mike, look, I got the cameras and the sensors on and the little marker lights.
Oh, you got cameras and the marker lights?
Yep.
Why did you do that?
You know. Oh, and look, I broke this one. The glue that I used.
Whose car is this?
It's a customer's car. I guess I didn't prep it good enough. So I have to redo this. I have to re-glue this one. But this one looks good too. Look at that.
And those are cameras.
Look how good that looks.
So them are cameras.
Yeah, there's cameras and sensors. So that right there, the top is a sensor and the bottom is a camera. And look, when you get in the car, Mike, and you put it in reverse, you can see the car from the top.
Huh?
You can see the car from the top. You ain't never seen a 360 cam?
Oh, that's what these are?
Yeah.
The 360 cameras.
Yeah, you can see it from the top. You can see everything around you.
Oh, that's what they want because they don't want no dings.
Cat, come here.
That's going to be all for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the comments and let me know if I should start my own YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. Peace out.
Yeah, peace. What you say, you don't leave weak?
I said don't leave weak.